This video is for those of you who are still skeptical that the Fed and Wall Street are in bed together. We have an announcement that MasterCard, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup and others are working with the Fed to launch a 12-week pilot testing phase for the digital dollar. You got to notice who isn't involved with this. None of your elected officials. I mean, if you think voting does anything, if you believe in the puppetry, that's on you. But regardless, there's not even a facade of any kind of public interest in the development of a CBDC. This is something that we've been warning about for years now, Toby and I especially. I know that they're going to be, okay, so this 12-week pilot phase, they're going to be probably finding some kind of incentive, some way to lure you into their system to test it out. It's for your benefit, right? No, these guys are bankers. They're here to take your money. And while they're at it, they're going to invade your privacy and insert even more control over your lives as well. So keep an eye out for the digital dollar. Don't fall for it. Buy Bitcoin and keep your coins on a hardware wallet. So that's a little update of what's happening in the CBDC realm. Also, we have some more fallout, more evidence of a mess from the FTX debacle coming from Genesis. This is an institutional platform. Basically, it's a lending platform, trading platform for institutional buyers, investors, and traders. They're dealing with billions of dollars of cryptocurrencies. Also, they are heavily, invested in, or they have in their custody, ETH or GBTC. Each of these products are products from Grayscale. Grayscale is obviously, GBTC was designed to facilitate institutional investors to get exposure to the price of Bitcoin. But now Genesis has put out a call. They're going to do a meeting for all the holders, all the users of Genesis, to try to let them know what's happening. This isn't a good sign typically. People think that they are having liquidity issues, solvency issues. And if that's the case, an option for Genesis is to actually dissolve their holdings in ETH and GBTC. But you're thinking, well, how can they do that? They're not Grayscale. They're not Grayscale, but there's this umbrella company I mentioned before called the Digital Currency Group. They own platforms like Genesis, like Grayscale, like CoinDesk, and a lot of different other very popular, well-known businesses in cryptocurrencies. A lot of them are in this umbrella. And so because Genesis is in the same umbrella of the DCG as Grayscale, the Digital Currency Group could decide, you know what, it's in our best interest because this one is failing, that we're going to dissolve this so that they can make their lenders whole. So interesting to see what's going to happen. Is this the last of the shakeout of this bear market? Is this the last of the cleansing that this space really needs? I really hope so. Next up today, another video is going to be coming out giving you updates on FTX. What's happening with SBF. Is he crazy? Is he crazy? I think that's what's coming up next. Also, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and what's going to be happening with the hackers' funds. Please stay tuned. Hit like, hit subscribe. Check out our CT Club down below if you haven't already. You're going to get even more information, what we're doing with our cryptos and why. We got trade alerts, portfolio updates, market updates, all that good stuff. A link for that is down below in the video description. Okay, bye guys.